Hello there. Conastante, how are things? Ben from Bite Size Irish here. And today, let's look at how to say I'm an Irish American in Irish. Are you ready? Okay. Is gaeilge vericánach me? Is gaeilge vericánach me? And one more time. Is gaeilge vericánach me? Okay then, I'm an Irish American. Let's have a little look at the grammar of this simple statement. So it starts with the copula is, and this is used in Irish to refer to things that are enduring or not likely to change. So what we have here is, then we have a noun, which is gaeilge vericánach, and then we have the personal pronoun me, meaning me. So is Irish American me. So you can use this structure to say other things about yourself, like, for instance, I'm a teacher. The word for teacher is muinteoir. So you would say, is muinteoir me. Now let's look at this word gaeilge vericánach, meaning Irish American. Americánach means American. It's a compound word, so because there's another little word on there at the beginning, this word Americánach takes what we call shevu, or aspiration, or lenition in English. So an extra H after the initial consonant there, the N. So it's going to vericánach. Gael historically is a word used to refer to an Irish person. So maybe historically would say indigenous Irish person as a gael. Nowadays we have many different types of Irish person, and the ordinary standard term for someone of Irish nationality would be éireannach. Éireannach. Gael carries some historical baggage in the sense that nowadays we use it more to refer to somebody who practices the Irish language or other elements of Irish culture, or certainly is very sympathetic or interested in Irish language and culture. So without there being any judgment implied, there are many different types of Irish person nowadays. A gael is a person with a particular interest in that element of culture. Okay, so if we wanted to say he is an Irish American rather than I am an Irish American, we would say is gaeilge vericánach é. The A here being he or him. And if we wanted to say she is an Irish American, we would say is gaeilge vericánach í. The E here being she or her. And if we wanted to say we are Irish Americans, we would say is gaeilge vericánaigh sin. Sin being the us or the we, and you'll notice here that gaeilge vericánach has changed to gaeilge vericánaigh. Americánach, singular for American. Vericánaigh means Americans, so we are Irish Americans. Now this term gaeilge vericánach can be both a noun and an adjective. So we can use it as an adjective to talk about things that are Irish American. So for instance, we could say an pobal gaeilge vericánach, and that would be the Irish American community. Great stuff. Okay then, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the little lesson, and if you'd like to download our free ebook 10 Secrets for Practicing Irish Every Day, you'll find the link in the description below. So that's our motto here at Bite Size Irish, gaeilge gach lá. It means Irish every day, and it's a great way to practice and learn at your own pace. Okay then, Gidín chiador till the next time, Wimsha Ben, from me Ben, slán go fóill, bye for now.